Hello, today in class we are going to solve a problem on direct proportionality. And in this problem, I want to use the method of proportion. When solving the problem, we will make a proportion. This is very convenient when you solve problems on proportionality. Conditions of the problem. A silver bar with a volume of 70 cubic centimeters weighs 770 grams. What is the mass of the silver bar if its volume is 25 cubic centimeters? In order to solve this problem, I recommend that you write down the quantities. In our problem, we're talking about volume, which is measured in cubic centimeters, and mass, which is measured in grams. The condition of our problem talks about these. Let's write it down. The volume, 70 centimeters cubic, mass 770 grams. We need to find the mass of the ingot, the mass, if the volume is 25 cubic centimeters. I will use the proportion. In order to get the proportion right, we first have to figure out what proportionality is. The fact is that proportionality is direct proportionality and inverse proportionality. How to find out? We pay attention to the quantities. The volume in our problem is decreasing. The volume is decreasing. What will happen to the mass? The mass will also decrease. If one quantity decreases and the other quantity decreases, then it's direct proportionality. Then we can make a proportion. 70 divided by 25 equals 770 divided by the mass we need to find. And we'll denote that mass by m. And then 70. Divided by 25 equals 770 divided by m. We know how to find unknown numbers in a proportion by applying the basic rule of proportion. Let's remember that m will equal 25 times 770 divided by 70. We can 770 and 70 reduce. I will divide 70 by 70, that will be 1, and 770 divided by 70, that will be 11. The result is 25 times 11. We get 275. The result is 275 grams. Using proportions and realizing that quantities are directly proportional, you can make proportions and use the basic property. In the next lesson, you and I will determine what is an inversely proportional quantity. Today, our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye. See you again.